Are you trying to save money but worried about coming across as cheap? Don't worry, you can be frugal and still enjoy life. In today's video, we'll show you how to be smart with your money without sacrificing quality or your relationships. Let's dive in. First, let's understand the difference between being frugal and being cheap. Frugal people focus on value, they want to save money, but not at the expense of quality or relationships. Cheap people, on the other hand, focus only on spending as little as possible, even if it means missing out on important experiences or upsetting others. Tip number one: focus on quality, not just the lowest price. It's easy to get tempted by cheap deals, but buying something that breaks quickly isn't saving money. Invest in durable, high quality items, especially things you use every day like shoes, cookware, or electronics. In the long run, this will save you more money because you won't need to replace things as often. Tip number two: plan your purchases. Frugal people don't just buy on a whim, they make lists, look for sales, and avoid impulse buying. Before making any big purchase, take time to think about whether you truly need the item or if it's just a temporary want. This way, you can save money without feeling deprived. Tip number three: focus on saving money on experiences, not just things. You don't have to spend a lot to have fun. Instead of going out to expensive restaurants or taking costly vacations, plan low cost experiences like picnics, hiking, or game nights with friends. These moments are just as enjoyable and they're often more memorable. Tip number 4: know when to splurge. Being frugal doesn't mean never spending money on the things you love. Set aside a small amount of your budget for occasional splurges like a dinner out or a weekend getaway. The key is balance, save where you can, but don't feel guilty about treating yourself now and then. Tip number 5: use coupons and discounts wisely. There's no shame in saving money with coupons or discount codes, but don't buy something just because it's on sale. Stick to your shopping list and use coupons only for things you are already planning to buy. Tip number 6: prioritize what matters most. Being frugal is about directing your money toward things that align with your values. Spend less on things that don't bring you joy, like unnecessary subscriptions or fast fashion, and invest in what truly matters, whether that's your health, education, or spending time with loved ones. So, there you have it. With these simple tips, you can be frugal without being cheap. It's all about making smart choices, focusing on value, and spending your money in ways that enrich your life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more personal finance tips. And also let me know in the comments which tip you like most and you are ready to apply it in your practical life. Thanks for watching and see you in next video.